Are you tired of spending too much money on dining out or wasting food? Well, we've got a solution for you. Get ready to discover the incredible world of meal prep magic. Meal prep is a game changer when it comes to saving money and reducing food waste. It's all about preparing your meals in advance, so you always have delicious and nutritious options ready to go. Let's dive into the benefits of meal prep. Firstly, it saves you money. By cooking your meals at home, you can save a significant amount compared to dining out or ordering takeout. Think about it, those daily lunch or dinner expenses can really add up over time. But with meal prep, you buy ingredients in bulk, plan your meal strategically, and make the most out of your grocery budget. Before you start meal prepping, it's important to plan ahead. Create a grocery list based on the meals you want to prepare and look for any coupons or deals to maximize your savings. Meal prep also helps to reduce food waste. By planning your meals and only buying what you need, you minimize the chances of ingredients going bad or ending up forgotten in the back of your fridge. Another great thing about meal prep is the convenience it offers. Imagine having your breakfast, lunch, or dinner ready to grab and go, whether you're heading to work, school, or a busy day of errands. When you meal prep, you can simply heat up your pre-made meals, saving you precious time and energy. No more stressing about what to eat or resorting to unhealthy fast food options. Staying organized is key to successful meal prep. Invest in quality meal prep containers that are stackable and easily stored in your fridge or freezer. Label them with the days of the week for effortless planning. And let's not forget about the taste. Meal prepping allows you to enjoy flavorful and nutritious meals that you've prepared with your own preferences in mind. Say goodbye to bland or unsatisfying meals. So, how do you get started with meal prep magic? Begin by choosing a day of the week for your meal prepping session. Plan your meals, hit the grocery store with your list, and dedicate a few hours to cooking and assembling your meals. Experiment with different recipes and flavors to keep things interesting. You can even mix and match ingredients to create versatile meals that you can customize throughout the week. Finally, embrace the journey. Meal prepping is a skill that improves over time. Are you ready to enjoy delicious home-cooked meals and start saving money? You need to join the millions of people who are preparing their own meals.